think it is a stupid question, but still
Yeah.
I will ask. Is she vulnerable? Would you consider her being, helpless, vulnerable woman? Like,
Not at all. This is like predators, What the predators, they're like animals in the forest. They don't consider anybody. Anybody sick, anybody you can suffer. They don't care. They would do anything for their for their benefit, without regarding to somebody else's feelings or somebody What vulnerable? I treated her very kindly. What I got it in return. Yeah.
they say, well, she didn't know English, did she?
Yeah, because she didn't want to. She didn't want to know. Every reasonable person come to foreign country will try to learn a language on some level, correct? Yeah.
Someone would say that, well, she didn't know the language, she didn't know the system, she didn't know how to call the police, and if she calls the police, she doesn't know how to express herself. What would you be?
Okay, they learn whatever they need. They learn. They have a lot of advisor. Lot of advisor. They know how to build the system. Of course, she doesn't know herself. But for example, she claims she didn't know when I abused her, why she didn't call police, and she told she didn't know how to call police. Still, she called 2 times when I was arrested. They contradict all the. When they have to call police again, they know very good what to do. She knew without knowing English. She was going to lawyers, going to psychiatrists with her lover, without. She didn't know American laws, but the guy taught her very fast. They transfer information from each other. How? Because they see it's it's so easy to abuse system here, so learn very fast what to do. They have to deal with it with Azerbaijan all their life. To abuse the system, to survive somehow. So they're very good in this. Whatever, regards to abusing system or Soviet system, Americans, they're very good in this. Yeah.
Do you believe that some women get abused?
Of course, no doubt about it, yes. Of course. I know myself many cases, yes. But the problem is that the real abusers, they are beyond the law, they're not punished, they're not arrested, they have no problems at all, And they don't care about their victims, so they don't have any obligation. So they were very clean from the game, They just keep them out and that's it. But such guys like myself who wrote like prenuptial agreement, protecting her right, they are the victims, afterward. And these guys, they are not punished. This is irony,
Why do you think they are not punished?
Because this monstrous brides, they're afraid of these guys. They use just a kind guys, the good guys, so they become very bold. But all these guys, they're abused, they're real criminals, and they can kill them. They can do them to something. So they're afraid to act against these guys. They can just act against honest guys, against guys. This is the reason. And another guy, he just killed her. So she's not going to complain on him, And she doesn't want to deal with him. They want to just deal with nice guys because they don't expect some violence from nice guys. Despite the fact they claim the nice guys are abusive, But really abusive guys, they're afraid to confront them. This is the reason, And the real abusers, they don't have any penalty, any punishment. This is all the irony of this laws,
Would you ever do it again?
What you mean to do it again?
Meet a woman on the internet.
Many people, they just amuse it. Yeah, I think I just made very wrong choice. I know a lot of Russian women, very nice, very honest women, I think this monster, maybe they are not majority, of course, they are not majority. But I have to be very careful. You have to do it like myself. I met this woman only 3 times. I almost did not know her practically. I'm going to do this, but to be very careful, to spend much more, because I still believe, I know Russian women, they're very good, they're very honest, most of them really want to find, like husbands, supporters, they are not looking like this woman, this monster, just to use the guy. So I know the Russian woman. This is why, despite all the advices from my lawyers, from my friends, you have such a trauma, yes, maybe yes. I just met the wrong woman, this is my problem.